Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. Think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up here above the $2.50 mark. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below $2.50, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be the bottom portion of this consolidation period, and that sits right down there around $2.38. So $2.50, $2.38, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price can stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 250 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above 250, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on those because, in my opinion, top priority by far right now is all about healthy consolidations and building those higher lows. And, over time, as long as higher lows, as long as higher bases are constructed, then everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So in my mind, focus on going through healthy consolidation, building higher lows, and then you can just sit back and let the chart do its thing and let the trend, construct itself. And part of constructing itself is, it'll continue to break through those levels of resistance. So yeah, in my mind, it's all about those higher lows. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.